Want a real morning glow up? Try 7 days with 0 snooze. You hit snooze and lose the morning. Quick naps turn into anxiety, rush, and wasted time. You feel groggy and behind before the day starts. The 7-day plan. 1. Put your alarm across the room. 2. Pick a non-negotiable wake time. 3. Prep the night before. Outfit, water, quick task list. 4. First thing. Open curtains or grab light for 60 seconds. Stretch for a minute. 5. Track daily wins. Do this for 1 week and notice the before-after. More calm, less rush, better focus. It won't be perfect, but it often shifts your momentum. Try the 7-day no snooze challenge starting tomorrow.